What's up everybody, Justin Seeley here, and today we're going to be diving into Photoshop to show you one of the new features of Adobe Photoshop CC 2025. Now, if we take a look at the photo I've got open here, this is a shot of the Las Vegas sign. Everybody's seen this sign before, but what really kind of takes away from this photo are all these wires and poles and things in the background. So in previous times, we would have to come in here and like clone stamp these out or use content aware fill or something like that. And oftentimes we would get just kind of so-so results. Check out this new tool called the Remove tool in Photoshop CC 2025. I'm going to start off by creating a new layer so you can just see all of the stuff that I do on its own layer. Plus I'm working non-destructively, which is always a plus. And once I do that, I'm going to grab the Remove tool over here in the toolbar. You can also get to it by pressing the letter J on your keyboard. Then in my options bar, I'm going to make sure sample all layers is turned on. Once I've done that, I'm going to come over here and choose Find Distractions and then choose Wires and Cables. Now this is where the magic happens because Photoshop is now analyzing this photo for me. And once it finishes, you're going to see, wow, look at that. It completely removed all of those distracting wires in the background, created a seamless sky, made the trees show up. I mean, it's unbelievable what this is able to do. Now, there are a couple of other things that need to be removed in here. It obviously left some of the power poles and things like that in there, but watch this. With the Remove tool, I just brush across those and they are instantly removed from the composition as well. So we can remove all these things and you'll see I now have a completely retouched photo in under a minute, really, which is super cool. And best part is, this is all, again, on its own layer. As you can see here, look at all those minute details that Photoshop took care of for me. That's all taken care of, all non-destructive, and now I have a pretty killer photo. So if you haven't downloaded Photoshop CC 2025, I suggest you do so. And once you do, be sure to try out the all-new Remove tool because it is just